Raise your hand if you use any of the following products from the following brands. NARS, L'Oreal, Estee Lauder, MAC, Benefit, Maybelline are products from the Sephora collection. Now raise your hand if you are aware that by using and purchasing these products, you are actually promoting animal abuse. For those of you who are aware, there are many reasons as to why we should put an end to animal testing. As a makeup lover myself, I use products from makeup brands that I've listed before. However, after conducting my research, I have decided to refrain from any makeup brands that are not cruelty-free, and I hope that after hearing my speech, you will do the same. The truth is, animal testing for beauty cosmetics causes pain and suffering for animals. It is unnecessary and unreliable. And lastly, there are many ways to prevent the purchase of non-cruelty-free makeup products. Animal testing causes extreme pain and suffering for animals. The most common animal use for cosmetic testings are bunnies, guinea pigs, mice, and rats. According to the Humane Society, international animals are forced to ingest chemicals orally and receive chemicals dripped into their eyes and onto shaved skin. These tests could last for weeks or months in order to find signs or disease of general illnesses. They suffer from skin irritation, and they suffer from eye irritation and any kinds of toxicity. In some cases, animals are forced to swallow large amounts of chemicals to determine what doses causes death. At the end of the study, animals are killed regardless if they survive the study. They are killed by deprivation of oxygen, neck breaking, or decapitation. Animal testing is used so that the government can establish the safety of products before they are sold in markets. But how is that possible when animals and humans carry different genetics? Animal testing is unreliable and unnecessary. There are many ingredients that companies can use in their products which don't require animal testing. There are also plenty of ingredients that are already deemed safe from prior testing. Animal testing is also unreliable since animals don't develop the same diseases or have the same reactions to certain ingredients that humans do. The Humane Society states that different species can respond differently when exposed to the same chemicals. Human genetics and animal testing are fairly different, resulting in animal testing to be inaccurate. Lastly, there are many ways to prevent the purchase of products that are not cruelty-free. We just have to put in the effort. Most packaging will have the words cruelty-free stated on the finished product. However, that still does not promise that the product is cruelty-free. The ingredients could have been tested on animals. Makeup companies get their ingredients from suppliers who may perform tests on animals. If a makeup company buys ingredients from a company that participates in animal testing, then the product itself is not cruelty-free. Brands such as Milani, Too Faced, Urban Decay, Wet n Wild, and Lush are just some of the plenty of examples of makeup companies that are vegan or cruelty-free. Between 100,000 and 200,000 animals suffer and die every year, just for us humans to look good. Although a lot of companies have gone cruelty-free, they have also joined the Chinese cosmetic market where animal testing is required by law for foreign cosmetic companies. Animal testing is a choice. Companies insist on developing new ingredients which involve tests. It is considered animal abuse, however it is not protected by the government. Animal testing causes pain and suffering for animals, so why is it any different than animal abuse? We have the power to put a stop to this terrible issue, and it requires us to simply be more cautious of the products we are purchasing. That is the beginning to putting an end to animal testing on cosmetics. So as I end my speech, remember these 3 key points while shopping at your favorite beauty store. Animals are suffering and dying. Animal testing is unnecessary and unreliable, and I can refrain from purchasing non-cruelty-free products. Thank you.